Bruce. Sorry, that one that you saw back there, that is the pregnant one.
Yeah.
So huge, I thought it was this one.
So both of them are pregnant already?
This one's good, yeah.
No. But the ones over there are both
Two,
pregnant?
yeah.
They hunt at night?
Pretty much, yeah, they're very opportunistic hunters. So lions will take pretty much anything. They'll try anything. So you'll get, the specialist prides. There's certain prides in the Kruger Park that'll only go for giraffe, only go for buffalo. There's prides in the Savuti and Yanti Channel that only hunt elephant. Prides also in Zambia that only hunt hippopotamus. So it's just really specialist. They learn from their mothers how to hunt and they just become specialist hunters.
We take a whole pride of more than one lion.
Yeah, the thing is, lions move in prides, and this is the thing, it's just for the success in raising youngsters. The amount of success that they have in actually making kills